Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pradnya. Manifestation of thyroid imbalance we must understand. And what we call thyroid in a medical term, forget about it. Today we are going to talk about what we call thyroid in a yogic term or in a yogic science. We need to understand it first. But before that, I need to say, according to the statistic in India, almost of 42 million people are suffering from the thyroidism. Either this is hypo or hyper. Why it is so? Why this thyroidism is rapidly raising in India nowadays, especially in a woman? If you see, women are recently there are so many women I can see that diagnosed with the thyroidism. Either this is hypo or hyper. So we are talking today what is thyroid in the yogic language or in a yogic science, and what are the solutions and the cure by yogic way to release or balance your thyroidism. So thyroid is a secreting happening inside your body on a daily basis, which actually regulates or calibrating how much energy your body required, how much fats your body should produce, uh, how your digestion should get happen in your body. Overall, all your metabolic system is actually regulating by thyroid gland. So I hope you understand this is the basic point. So apart from that, why there are a lot of diagnosis or the patient raising nowadays in India, and we are talking about the female like women, why women are more suffering from thyroidism. So there is one important point in the yogic science, which is your psychological status is closely related to your physiological status. What does it mean? So it means your glandular function regulates by your thought process. For example, I'm giving you example. If you think any uh, fear incidents which has happened in your previous just recent years or in your past life, if you create a thought about that incidents, you can see your pulse rate get high. You can see few people has a little bit tremors on with their fingers. Some people has sweating in some particular part of the body. These are the changes happen just by creating one thought. Why it is happening? Because your glandular function is closely related to your thought process. Similarly, if you think some joyful or happy moments which has happened in your life, you can immediately see the smile on your face, or happy, you can feel the happiness inside your body. With the similar both ways, you can feel your pulse rate get high. Why it is so? So it indicates that your thought process immediately regulates your glandular function. So you can see nowadays the problem is people are more going towards the negative thought, very hyper thought, stressful thought. That are the reasons why your glandular functions are not repetitively going through the similar line. So for that we need at least few hours to balance our glandular function by doing meditation. So with the peace level, with the zero thought level, whenever you keep yourself with the zero thought level, your glandular function will be on a balanced state. These are the factors what we are talking about today. There are three important factors why your glandular functions are not functioning well nowadays. First, as I said, your psychological status, very important. This is the one important point which is not actually regulating nowadays very well. Second, the food we eat. And the third, your physical fitness. So these are the three factors. If you will balance these three factors, you will keep yourself away from any kind of glandular disorder or a thyroidism. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need to understand more, it is absolutely a curable thing, which if you will go with the perfect pattern or the proper protocol of the treatment, definitely you can balance your all glandular functions. So thank you so much for watching my video. For more updates, you can contact me given number. Thank you so much.